continue from yesterday's session. Yeah, guys. Okay. So we are creating info record, purchasing info record. ME11 is the T code. Then give your vendor material, purchase organization, and plan. You want auto internal number in, so I'm leaving this info record field blank, and I'm selecting info category standard. Enter. So we are done with reminders, sales details, order unit details, and supply option. These details. Okay. Now writing origin data. This entire tab. Origin data. Heading origin data. Origin data. Okay. So guys, on every product, if you observe, they'll maintain the manufacturer country, like made in India, made in China, made in Japan. Correct. But where is the proof that it has been manufactured in Japan? It has been manufactured in China. Where is the proof? Correct. So proof is every manufacturer government will issue a certificate. In that certificate, the government will maintain who has manufactured material, in which country, in which state they have manufactured. And the certificate name is origin certificate. Okay. The certificate name is origin certificate. So in this, we have to enter certificate of origin details. Right? In this tab, we have to enter origin certificate details. In this tab, we have to enter origin certificate details. In this tab, we have to enter origin certificate details issued by vendor's government. Issued by vendor's government. Issued by vendor's government. Okay. Next, enter. When you press enter, it will go to next tab. Okay, I'm editing. It will go to next tab. And right on next tab, info record purchase organization data tab. Info record purchase organization data tab. Info record purchase organization data tab. Here, right on first one, planned delivery time field. First field is planned delivery time. First field is planned delivery time. Right on. This field will copy from vendor master. And if required, we can edit here. Already you know this because in vendor we have discussed this. Okay. Okay. Next, purchasing group. Purchasing group. Right on. This field has been copied from material master. Okay. Yes. Next, Radhan. Here, guys. Under delivery slash over delivery slash unlimited delivery. Under delivery slash over delivery. Under delivery slash over delivery slash unlimited over delivery. Unlimited over delivery tolerance. Unlimited over delivery tolerance slash acknowledgement required. Slash acknowledgement required. Okay. These four fields. That one. These fields will copy from material master. Okay. These fields will copy from material master. If required, we can edit these fields. If required, we can edit these fields. If required, we can edit these fields, which will copy automatically to purchase orders. Which will copy automatically to purchase orders. Okay. Next, GR based IV. GR based IV. Okay. Hold on. This field will copy from vendor master. This field will copy from vendor master. Okay. Next, tax code. Very important. Tax code. Right on. In this field, we have to select tax code. In this field, we have to select tax code to calculate taxes. To calculate taxes on purchase. To calculate taxes on purchase. To calculate taxes on purchase. Full stop. Full stop. And continue. In real-time project, tax codes will be created by tax codes will be created in real time. Tax codes will be created by finance in T code FTXP. FTXP. Okay. FTXP. Full stop. Write on note. Very, very important note. Note. Write on. If vendor state code, if vendor state code and if vendor state code and delivery state code are different, then we have to select IGST related tax code. Then we have to select IGST related tax code. If both are same, means both state codes are same. If both are same, then we have to select CGST plus SGST related tax code. Then we have to select CGST plus SGST related tax code. Then we have to select CGST plus SGST related tax code. Okay. Next, here condition tab. Next, condition tab. Here, maintain net price. Maintain price. Enter. Okay. Next, text tab. Next, text tab. Okay. Next, text tab. Right on. In this tab, we can maintain any information as a text. In this tab, we can maintain any information as a text. Enter. Done. After maintaining all required fields, click on save icon. After maintaining all required fields, click on save icon to save purchase info record. To save purchase info record. Here guys, text tab. If you want to maintain it information, you just maintain here. I'll maintain test text. After maintaining all required fields, click on save icon to save purchase info record. So this particular product from this vendor, how you are buying, that information you have maintained in the form of purchase info record, and the number is 101. And the number is 101. Okay, write on note. Right on. While creating info record, while creating info record, system will copy data from while creating info record, data will copy from vendor and material. Okay, and those data we can edit in info record. Those data we can edit in info record, which will copy to purchase order automatically. And those data will copy to purchase order automatically. Okay, right on T codes. T codes. Right on. M11, create info record. ME12, change info record. Next, ME13, display info record. ME14, changes. ME15, flag for deletion. ME15, flag for deletion. Okay. Next, me mass iron, mass maintenance. Me mass iron, mass maintenance, same like MM17 XK99. Okay. Me mass in, mass maintenance. Next, ME1L. 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 List of info records by vendor. List of info records by vendor. Next, ME1M. List of info records by material. List of info records by material. Next, ME1W. List of info records by material group. So you can take out the list of info records by using material group also. List of info records by material group. Okay. Now write down tables SC16 and T code. Table SC16 and T code. EINA, info record general data. So it will store all general data in this table. Whatever general data you have entered in info record screen, it will store in this table. Next, EINE, info record purchasing data. Okay, info record purchasing data. These are two tables and those are T codes, and this is how you have to create info record. Okay, simple. In interview, if you got what is info record, simply tell them that info record will be maintained, or info record will capture the purchasing information of a material from the vendor. Means from which vendor, which material, how you are buying, the terms and conditions. Because you can buy same material from multiple vendors, and those multiple vendors will not give for same price, same terms and conditions. Now it will be different from vendor to vendor. But how system knows that which vendor they are giving for what price and what are the terms and conditions? So to inform system, we are creating info record. Which material, which vendor, what is the terms and conditions, and what is the price of the material. Okay, this is what your info record here. It means which material from which vendor, how we are buying. Okay, next write down fourth master data, source list. Guys, where you are exactly in practice, please let me know. Sources will start tomorrow, not today. Just now you can chat with me. Tell me exactly where you are in practice. We are done with 3 master data and we are done with organization data. So where are we in practice? We are done with organization data. We are done with material. We are done with vendor. We are done with purchase info record. So guys, new fresh topic will start tomorrow. Please let me know where you are in practice now. So you are in vendor master. I have done with vendor data. Kaushik. Okay, next. So as of now, you are clear or any doubts? So you mean you are done with vendor, na? It means you are done with material also. Correct. So question for you guys, those who are done with material master practice, tell me how many unit of measurements we have maintained in material master as of now. Rakesh, you are at CIR. Okay. So question for you also, those who are done with material practice, question for all of you, tell me, this is 100% interview question in interview for freshers here. Tell me how many unit of measurements we have maintained in material creation. Again, I'm typing my question here. You can check. How many unit of measurement maintained in material creation screen? Question for all of you, entire 14 members. Those who are done with material practice. Swarun, one. Okay, next. Next. Aditya, 5. What are those here? Next. Rakesh, what is your answer? So, please let me know the answer tomorrow. today practice once again and let me know the answer tomorrow. Okay, guys, please complete your material practice today at least. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow for source list class. Okay, bye for the day.